Namaskar. Nowadays, serums have become very popular among younger generation. There are serums for anti-pigmentation to anti-aging and those for deep moisturizing. But did you know that Ayurveda has been offering similar benefits for centuries? Yes, we can enjoy all the skin benefits that you get from New Age serum with Ayurveda. Let's understand organic homemade alternatives. Today, let's compare 4 popular modern day serum with their Ayurvedic DIY alternative. You can then choose what works best for you. Let's start with the first serum, New Age Vitamin C Serum versus Ayurveda Vitamin C Serum. Vitamin C serums have become superstars of the modern beauty world. Vitamin C serum claims to brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and protect against environmental damage. But what's the Ayurvedic alternative? The ingredients you need to make this vitamin C serum are 50 ml coconut oil or almond oil, 1 tablespoon dried amla powder, 1 teaspoon manjistha powder, 1 teaspoon shatavari powder, 1 teaspoon ushira or vetiver powder, 1 small pinch of organic turmeric powder, 10 ml tulsi oil. To make this serum, first take 50 ml of organic cold pressed coconut oil or sweet almond oil and heat it gently till it is warm. Then add the dried powder, stir gently and let it soak for at least 24 hours. Then add the tulsi oil. Finally strain and store in a glass bottle. Every day apply 3 to 4 drops on your face before moisturization as part of your AM and PM routine. The next one is an alternative for retinol serum. Retinol serums are mainly used as an anti-aging property. Retinol serums are believed to be effective in reducing fine lines and increasing cell regeneration. But there are also reports that it can be harsh on your skin. So, let's look at the natural alternative for retinol serum, which is bakuchi oil derived from the bakchi plant. It is often called as nature's retinol because it boosts collagen and improves skin texture without the irritation. Now, let's see how you can use bakuchi oil as an alternative to retinol. Mix 5 drops of bakuchi oil with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. For an additional benefit, you can add few drops of rosehip oil. Apply it as a nighttime treatment. Third, let's look at an alternative for hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid is famous for its deep hydration and plumping effect. But did you know Ayurveda has more simple and natural solution in a natural aloe vera gel and honey serum? Even research has proved that aloe vera retains your skin moisture and integrity, and honey is a natural humectant. This means it draws water from the surrounding, and so it can help keeping your skin hydrated. It also has antibacterial and anti-acne properties. The steps to make this serum are: extract fresh aloe vera gel from a leaf. Make sure to take only the transparent gel like part and not get any other brownish liquid from the edges of the leaf. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Beat them together with a spoon. Stir well and store in a small jar. Apply a thin layer to the skin as a lightweight serum as part of your AM and PM routine. And finally, let's see how can you replace your AHA and BHA. Serums are used for exfoliation and removing dead skin cells. These things strip away layers of your skin. It is not recommended to use them more than thrice a week. Let us look at the natural serum to replace this. The alternative is raw milk and lemon serum. Raw milk contains lactic acid, a natural AHA, which gently exfoliates the skin. The steps to make the serum are: mix 2 tablespoons of raw milk with 5 to 6 drops of fresh lemon juice. Stir well and apply the mixture with a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water for smooth and radiant skin. So try these amazing alternative Ayurvedic remedies for the 4 new age serum to care for your skin without using any harsh chemicals. Try this consistently at least for a month for results to show. And remember, stress and negativity can really damage your skin. So, live your best possible life and keep smiling. Namaskar.